Well, hi, I'm Simon Coombs. I'm the Managing Director of Capula. So we're a system integrator who's focused on critical national infrastructure and the energy transition. And we're both an alliance partner of Schneider, but also, interestingly, of AVEVA as well. The digital transformation, of course, you create all this automation, which is great, keeps the lights on, but then it generates so much data, valuable data, that you can combine with IT data as well. And the two really drive those outcome benefits. And the sort of things could be, yes, energy management, one thing, but compliance. We have an area of particular interest for our clients at the moment is around disruption management. So in other words, how do you prevent disruptions in the ongoing operations and keep things running? Right now and in the future is really this transition of moving to AI. Now, AI is a much used word, of course, at the moment, much abused at the moment. But really in the automation space, how do you use things like machine learning and statistical analysis to go and actually create forecast models and so forth, using that data? But also in the future, how do you create an easier interface as an operator, ask questions in a natural way to help actually optimize and drive the business? It's exciting now, but it'll be definitely exciting in the future. Well, sustainability and efficiency are absolutely crucial to critical national infrastructure and the energy transition. So almost, our projects are intrinsically focused in that area. It's starting from having a mindset of having that as a critical focus right from the beginning. It's very difficult to bolt sustainability on after the fact. So really from the start, even when you're shaping the projects, you've got to think about those things right from the beginning, and then you can be successful at that. Building long-term relationships and trust, I think is all about actually doing what you said you do. You've got to have the competence and the credibility to deliver, but also being responsive and understanding those clients and being curious about them. The combination of actually having good skills, but also caring and being client-centric is, one thing to create delighted customers, basically. Well, the advantages of using Schneider and also the AVEVA technologies, I think it's back to that investment point and about the confidence that this is a good product now, but will continue to be good in the future and will evolve with their needs. So being an alliance partner with Schneider and also with AVEVA helps us actually jointly work together to shape the markets and to deliver and win successful projects.